This job, nothing was right. There was always a problem. Some big deal every call. I don't do that way. Hammer clay and the wheels blown off of this one. Man, let me know if you've ever been on one of them ones. It's just, man, you just cannot wait till that equipment's on that trailer and you're out, and then you open the mailbox and that's the best sight I've seen in a long time. See, look what I'm telling you guys, I don't raise no sissy chickens. They want to go to work with me. Not only do you guys provide that with eggs, you're just wanting to go bang some dirt. So these are dirt bangers. I tell you, fam, I wasn't going to record today, but things such already starting out of a shit show that I might as well bring you with me. I was supposed to take the straw blower this morning when I dropped her off for school to the hammers. Toby called, he needed this ditch dug, so I went and did that this morning. And now the straw blower's not there. Now we gotta get 40 bales of straw. No straw blowers, so I gotta figure out how to get them back here to get that. Nah, it's a pain in the ass. Just starting off shitty already, and got 2 septics to do. I was over there, the dirt's already wet. I need to be on those. This job, they added more stuff. That's what they don't understand. When you add more stuff, man, that totally screws my damn schedule up. Well, this is a bonus because I wasn't going to record today, but come with me. It could only get worse or better. Who knows? Here's our first stop. We got to get 40 bales of straw. We're back on this one. I tell you, this is the one I gotta get out of here, man. It jacked me up because I had a lot of other jobs, and then this one kind of got pushed in front of all of them, so all my septics and everything got pushed out. Hopefully we can get it all done today, and they added a big water line thing, so we'll see. I'm jacking my gravel up, I see that. No, I think you're fine. I'll tell you one thing about this job that really been ticking me off is the damn Amish did the septic. So they leave the septic all uncovered, everything, and then the homeowner wants me to freaking do it. I said, I can't do it. I don't have the permit pulled. That's their job. They have to freaking have the soil stabilized, grass seed, straw, everything. I get here, so I paid for all this topsoil here. They're using my topsoil to do around the septic. And they always act like, oh, I don't know. Well, you shouldn't have left with it being half-assed. They think they're getting a better deal, but then they want to half-ass everything. Kind of laid into them. Like, I went so much round and round with this customer. I don't know how many conversations telling them I cannot do that septic. I don't have the permit. And then if anything's done under that septic and there's a problem, lines broke or settled, and I'm the last one that was on it, you know who's getting blamed? Orschell Excavating. Yeah, I don't think so. You know, everybody talk about certain people doing certain work, and I think there's a lot of hacks. I really do. I get friggin' tired of it. Trying to put something on somebody else. Just do your damn job. Now he wrapped that whole damn pile. Man, I tell you, the last couple jobs have been rocky. That could only be one, that just could only be good news. I tell you, fam, I haven't recorded much, man. This is one of them ones. Let me know if you've been there before. I just want to get it done and get on, move out. Like, it's just every day it's something new. Every freaking day. I told you how when I got here, somebody was getting my topsoil, so then right after that, here comes a call. So now what I'm doing, this is an extra. I would have been out of here, but we're redoing the line here where the water came through. So, man, Let me know if you've ever been on one of them ones. It's just, man, you just cannot wait till that equipment's on that trailer and you're out, and then you open the mailbox and a hoe. Man, whoever dug this in, they just kept all the dirt over here. They didn't even cover the line back up. This project has had a lot of stuff that isn't right. The neighbor stopped over and said that there's well, this is her property they came through, but she stopped over and said there's a fiber line in there, which I'm thankful for that, because you know what? If it can happen, it will. Just kind of laying all this stuff out. Man, I tell you, it's mid-October, and the stuff ain't drying out. That's what scared me this morning. I went and drained that line for Toby, which is an unbelievable customer to work for. He's awesome. And man, the dirt is kind of moist, and man, it just ain't drying out. So I got them 2 septics I got to get done. So that's putting the stress to me. See, we'll take this all the way up here. I'm gonna lay it this low here, let it dry, and then I'm gonna hit it with the tractor. I would have had my damn Harley rake here, but then that wheel broke off, and then I actually had all my equipment out and I have nothing to load it at the house. Carlito's down there seeding and strawing. I told him to really lay into it. Put the hate on it. I tell you, I've been super impressed with Carlito, man. He's picking up real good. I need to get him on that tractor and let him start learning how to grade. He's on a compactor yesterday. Doing good. I mean, you don't know anything until you're taught. He was never taught, so I guess the good thing on that, we're teaching him the right way. Well, in my mind, I think it's the right way. It might not be. Step aside, give Daddy the bike. That's a funny story. If you guys are up for it, I'll tell you sometime. Give Daddy the bike. My buddy Mark Richter would be better telling you than me. Man, I just jumped sideways out of this 275 and twisted my leg. God dang, I about blew my back out. Let's get this thing out of the way. Then we'll go down and check on the boys there. Just a man in his machine. I can't go through the day without it. I need it. I just need it. I want it. I need it. Now I'm gonna get on my love machine and see if we can't make that back section look like something. It's pretty wet and nasty. We'll see. See what we make this look like. It's pretty wet, really. Harley rig would be good, but this thing does a lot better than you'd think. Hit it a couple times and rub the newness off of it. I love what I do, but I don't like this feeling I have on this job. If I get through it, I'll tell you about it. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna hit a stump. Wow! So many big rocks in this shit. Then they get on your blade and it won't drag right. Then I'm trying to record with you and I can't work my lever. one. You got drug in the submission type thing. It's crazy, like you cross your T's and dot your I's. Damn tree. Every time I take my something, every time I try to record, you just can't do it. It's like, man, this customer here, I'm like, not that I always don't bring any good, but it's like, just don't give them anything else to do. Just one call after another. Every damn day. The last time I dealt with that, yeah, it wasn't good. They broke the pieces. Looks good. We'll seat over top of this straw again too.
Okay.
I'm here to help now. You got anything in your cooler?
Got water.
Yeah, I probably need one. Yep, when you walk by these little ridges, just do a little foot grading. My buddy Dustin's like, oh man, my inside my leg hurt. I was grading with my foot up along the house and I caught a boulder. Damn, ripped his unit ligament out. He's always good for a good laugh. I'm gonna wham bam F you Pam. I'm gonna hit her twice. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna do her too. Hammer clay and the wheels blown off of this one. Well, I think it's like 5 o'clock. We pushed through and just got this one done. Hold up! Oh! Jesus. That's the best side I've seen in a long time. I'm ready to get just some of those. It's just time to go, and it's time to freaking go. I'm not a resident excavator, right, Cole?
Yep.
Pull on around down there. We'll get this thing chained down and we'll get out of here.
All right, I'll grab your blower.
Yeah, any tools that we got, check. Grab my blower and all that stuff. Good eyes. Man, it just, this job, nothing was right. There was always a problem. Always some big deal. Every call. I don't do that way. You know what that is. They're building a, you know, I've been in this thing long enough. I'll tell you the deal later down the road. I don't want to get too far into it, but I'm glad to see them cats on that trailer ready to go. Damn. Well, I'm glad you were able to stick with me. Hopefully I brought you some enjoyment. So if you could comment. Till the next one. Better mood.